Have you ever wondered how to create those amazing transitions in DaVinci Resolve? So I'll show you how to do it. First, you want to go ahead and open a project. Now once you're opening a project, you want to go to the top left corner. Now from here, you'll see an option called Effects, which is right here. So when you add a clip, you can add these transitions or effects. So first, we need to add a clip. Let's go to our folder right here on the media pool, and then let's add from our folders and import some files or videos. Let's say, for example, this video that I've taken. Then we want to go ahead and add that video. Now once you're done adding that video, go to your edit section right here at the bottom. Then you want to add the video directly by simply dragging the video itself. Put it on your timeline. Now we want to go ahead and cut the video. So first, we want to go and cut it by simply going right here and then simply right clicking and then cut the video. Or you want to split it if you want to do it so. So just basically come here and drag the video on your edit and then go to the cut and simply click the scissor button, which will now split that video. Now after you've done that, go back to the edit and go back to the effects or transitions. From here, you can see all the video transitions that you can add on videos. Now for the most common ones, we have here the additive, the blur, the cross, dip to color, non-additive, and smooth cut. So these are the most common transitions that you can use in DaVinci Resolve. But there are other transitions like motion, shape, or whatever transitions you want to use. But these are the most common. Let's say for example, blur dissolve. We can add it right here, adjust the frame for the transition, and then we can now see if it works. Now as you can see, it is now adding transition to that video. And that's how you can basically create transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.